Hello. Just wanted to talk to you about brambles. Okay, so brambles. They're everywhere. People hate them. The only thing that we think they're good for is their fruit. So why are they here? Well, let me tell you something. Brambles are very, very important. If you are a wildlife lover like me, brambles would be the place to visit. Okay, if you've got a little patch of brambles in your garden or one locally in a park, that is where you need to sit your bottom down and watch what goes on inside this patch, because actually brambles are really, really important. Okay, first of all, let's start with the leaves. Okay, the leaves are a food source for larger herbivores, so you get things like horses, deer, all the omnivores coming in to nibble at the leaves. Now, that's one of the main reasons why, evolutionary wise, they have evolved to have such spiky, it's actually in the inside of their leaf, but also up the stems, is actually to protect them from stop being stripped by all of these animals that love the taste of their leaves, because their leaves are tasty. They're all a really important place for caterpillars, such as the fox moth. That's one type that predominantly will come and eat the leaf of the bramble. Obviously, you've got the flower. The flower is predominant. It flowers all the way through from late spring all the way through the summer. The flower is visited by many types of flying pollinators, bumblebees, bees, all kinds of bees, all kinds of bumblebees. It's just an important source of nectar. Obviously the butterflies also come in for the nectar from the flowers. And then you've got the fruit. The fruit is amazing. Now the fruit will be an important source of food going into the autumn for our smaller mammals. So things like the mice, the field mice, all that kind of stuff. Also for the birds, they come in and visit this plant and eat all the berries. And things like badgers, they will come in and try and steal them. Things that are going to go into, not lockdown or hibernation, but when food is scarce during the winter, this is a really important food source to fatten themselves up with to actually survive the winter. So this plant actually all the way through every season, barring winter. Actually in winter it's important, because actually in winter it actually gives a lot of animals a lot of shelter. So when it's the season is the hardest for all the predators that need to eat as well, they hide. They're in this because obviously predators don't want to go through or dive through a mass of brambles, because it will actually really hurt them. So it's a really important plant all year round. So the humble bramble, people think it's horrible, it takes over verges, it just intrudes into your garden, it's just a pain, is actually one of the most amazing plants for wildlife and for spotting wildlife. So there you go. Here's your little challenge for today. Go find a bramble patch, regardless of what time of year you're watching this, and see what you can find, because every single season will bring different things to that patch, and it's amazing. Don't underestimate it. Okay, have a great day. There you go, brambles. Everyone underestimates that humble plant, but it's just amazing. See you later. Bye bye.